Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tricky Notes. Today we will discuss on a question based on time and distance. The question is sent to us by CH Vasvi. Thank you Vasvi for sending us this question. The question says, walking 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is late to his office by 15 minutes. Find his usual time taken to reach the office. Very simple question. You can see the question below. I have put it in the video also. So let's start with the question. The question says walking 3/4 of his usual speed. Normally you get questions like this: walking 3/5 of the usual speed, walking 3/4 of the usual speed, walking half of the usual speed. So let's go to the question. So friends, let's assume this to be the distance from home to office. Okay. So now the distance is constant. Walking 3/4 of his usual speed. So let's say this is the usual day and this is today. Okay. So usually he was walking at 4. Today he was walking at 3. This can be 4 kilometers. This can be 400 kilometers. This can be 40 kilometers. Accordingly, this will be, if this is 40, this is 30, this is 4, this is 3. If this is 400, this will be 300 kilometers per hour. So the ratio is 4:3. So let us assume this is 4 kilometers per hour, this is 3 kilometers per hour. So walking 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is late to his office by 15 minutes. So 15 minutes late. Now let us, the question is asked, find the usual time taken. So it is asked this time. Okay, we will find out both the times, no problem. Okay, so let us see. The rule says keeping distance constant. The distance is constant here from office to home. The distance is always the same. It never changes. So the distance is constant. When the distance is constant, the speed is inversely proportional to time. I'll put it here. Speed is inversely proportional to time. So we are going to use this rule today. Okay. So the when the distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. So if the speed ratio is 4:3, the time ratio is 3:4. So now if every day he was taking 3x minutes, today he is taking 4x minutes, because the speed is decreased, the time is increased. So the speed is decreased, today he is taking 4x minutes. Every day 3x minutes, today 4x minutes. The difference is x. 4x minus 3x, x. X is equal to 15 minutes. X is equal to 15 minutes. So 3x is equal to 45 minutes. This is the usual time. Now you can find out 4x is equal to 60 minutes. This is today's time. Okay. So we can find out both also. Now the usual time taken is 45 minutes. That is our answer. I am telling you once again, concentrate. I am assuming this to be 4:3 because the ratio is given 4:3. Every day he was going at a speed of 4 km per hour or 40 km per hour. Today he is going at a speed of 3 km per hour or 30 km per hour. 3/4 of the usual speed. Now the time taken will be the inverse. If it is 4:3, this will be 3:4. So every day if he is taking 3x minutes of time, today he is taking 4x minutes of time. So what increases is x. X is equal to 15 minutes late he is given. So 3x is equal to 45, 4x is equal to 60. Whichever the question is asked, you can put it as it is. Based on this, sometimes the question also comes. Usually the man was walking at a speed of 50 km per hour. Today he is walking at a speed of 30 km per hour. Now, due to this decrease of speed, the man is late to his office by 20 minutes. He is late to his office by 20 minutes. Find the distance. The question can ask you to find the distance. If speeds are given, the distance can be found out. There in the previous question, the speeds were not given. The ratio was given. So we could not find the distance. But now speeds are given, so you can find out the distance also. Now 50 minutes, this 50 km per hour, 30 km per hour. Now this is 5:3. So this will be 3:5. This is 3x, this is 5x. 2x is equal to 20 minutes. X is equal to 10 minutes. So this is 30 minutes. This is 50 minutes. So every day he was taking 30 minutes. Today he is taking 50 minutes. We got the time. But time is not our question. Our question is distance. Find the distance. Now 30 minutes, 50 km per hour. So in 1 hour, 50 km. 1 hour, 50 km. That means 60 minutes, 50 km. 30 minutes, half, 25 km. So the distance is 25 km. I hope you understand. So hope you got both the questions. Where the ratio is given, time is asked. Here the speed is given, distance is asked. We can solve both the questions. Thank you Vasvi for your question. Thank you very much. And if you want to send us questions, your doubts, then you can put your doubts in the comment box. We will solve your questions. If anybody wants to send it through WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number 720-500-181. 720-500-181. This is my WhatsApp number. I request kindly don't call me. Send your questions in the WhatsApp number. I'll solve all your questions in the videos. I'll put it. You can watch the videos. Subscribe our channel so that you will not miss our videos. Thank you very much.